we drop that oil. Hello friends, today I'm going to guide you through the process of changing your oil. I'm going to try to make it pretty general overall. I'm going to be working on a Toyota 2006 Prius right here. And there's my oil filter here. If you need an oil filter, I would suggest just go to an auto parts store and they'll give you the correct one. Okay, gonna open up the hood here. You're gonna go to the front of the hood and you're gonna feel something underneath here. And then it'll be this little latch underneath there that I just held up with my finger, and then I pushed up, which released that right there, which was connected right here. Okay. Whoa. So you can be as clumsy as me and still do this, watch. Alright, let's get underneath this machine. Yeah. Got those tools. Alright. Just to have them open and ready. Always remember to remove the oil cap on the engine so that you can release the flow of the old oil. Alright, the next chore is that we figure out what size that plug is going to be that we're going to be removing. And on this one it's metric, and I believe I got a 15. We shall see. Alright, step 2. It's time to get underneath the car and we're going to remove the oil filter and the plug. Here we go. Alright, let me get this down so I don't get too mucked up underneath here. Alright. There you go. Now you can see the light. And right there is the oil filter. Now, underneath all cars, it's going to be somewhere around the engine. I've seen some cars where it's even on the top of the engine itself. The Germans love to be different. But there's that. And what I'm also looking for is right here, a plug that I'm going to remove. That's on the fan right here that holds the oil for our engine. Now, on the bottom, usually the bottom point, because that's where everything needs to come out of. You'll find this area and then you'll find where the plug's at. It's the same general for most cars. Alright, let's get to removing. See if this will go by hand. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's turn it. There you go. Okay. I don't want to turn it all the way. Get 1 second here. Pulling up a retrieval bucket here. Get a good picture of that. Yep. Alright. Now we're back up here. So when that oil falls, it'll be cut. Here we go. Spinning. Don't try to make too much of a mess. We push it forward and upward. And then when it's all the way released, I'm going to drop it and then get out of the way. There you go. Alright, there we go. Hopefully we're going to do this now. There we go, we're on. So, put it on, turn to the left, and be careful, because when it starts flowing, you want to not be in the way. Or, be my guest, and maybe you like oil a lot, I don't know. I don't mind the oil too much, obviously, because I'm not wearing gloves. But I just wash my hands later. Alright, we are in the dark. Ooh, beautiful angle. Beautiful, 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 beautiful angle. Love that ratchet, every angle. This angle. There you go, there you go. That's what's up. She's coming. Better be out of the way. You know what I mean. Here we go. I'm gonna speed this one up. Yeah, baby. Speed this one up. Yeah, you know. I'm gonna make it go. Gonna make it turn round, round. Oh, we are ready, bros. Here we go. It's right out. It's gonna fire. She's gonna fire. Get in there. Get in there. What's it gonna look like? I really want to see a good angle. Alright. You ready? And push. Here we go. Here we go. Squirt. I'll get all of my ratchet. Let it flow. Let it flow. It's just kidding, bros. Alright. Just let it all go out. That's an important thing. You don't want to have any old excess oil left over because then you need a good oil change. So, whatever kind of break you want to call it, now's the time to just chill. And don't forget, don't lose any parts, right? This oily plug. Alright. Is this part satisfying? Some people are really like that. satisfying video. It's driven. Satisfying to the last drop. All right, just gonna let it go. There it goes. Now you could sit and let this go all night. Hey, I'd do it if I had a Ferrari, but nope, it's time to put that plug in. All right, here we go. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. In by hand as well as you can, and then get that ratchet out, shut on, get through the rack. Let's see if I can hold that. Here we go. That's what's up. Beauty. You want it pretty tight. Don't strip it. Be good, snug and tight. And by hand. There you go. Let's not forget the oil filter. Coming in there. Now, this is for a Prius 2006, and so this is what they gave me. The Win XP full synthetic oils. I don't know. Got the number up there. All right. Pop that open. Yep. And load it in. Going under. Here we go. All right, here's my oily fingers all over my brand new oil filter. We're going up, right onto there. Houston, we're going to attach this. So, line it up, circle around, find the thread, twist until you feel a good catch. Keep twisting, don't strip it. If it don't feel right, go back. I'm going all the way on, feels good. Oh, before I forget, one quick thing, since my hand's so oily, you can put a little bit of that oil on this seal to help that come on and make a good seal to the metal face itself of the engine. But there's already oil up there, so I probably would have done it anyway. But you know, twist and shout, and tighten it up on baby. Now you want it good and tight, good and snug. But I want to be able to take it off later. Yeah. Now I'm gonna tell you a trick real fast. If yours does not come off, happens all the time, you can take a flathead screwdriver, small one, and you're not trying to go crazy, but you're gonna take that flathead and you're going to go through the side of the oil filter with it. And so a small little demonstration here, and I'm gonna go ahead and puncture my new one. But if that was me, let's see, I'll get out of the way of the camera. Yeah, you go like this with your flathead, and maybe even have a hammer or something behind you, because you're gonna pierce through this and it'll go into here. And then you're going to use the flathead itself to crank and turn this to get it off. That's if yours is stuck. If yours is stuck and seized on the engine and you can't get it off, flathead, screwdriver, or Phillips, whatever, straight into here. Try to do it on the back of it, because you don't want to damage anything in that the engine is using to attach into here. But in the bottom, go down, pierce into it, and then turn it to the left, and you'll have an opportunity to get that back off. All right, mine's tight. We're good to go. Let's fill her full of oil now. I've been using a funnel, but I'm just gonna go for the gold. I'm probably gonna, and I have a drop sheet underneath, so if there's a little bit of spill up, I will be okay. All right, gotta get up in there. All right, looking good. You can see we have oil filling up here. Try not to get it everywhere. Get it up in there, up in there, up in there. Gonna get that oil really high up in there. All right, and I have a general idea of where I'm gonna stop this at. There's about a little bit half of a cord left over inside here. So I'll cut off. Go. There's a drippage. We're good to go there. It's okay. Clean it up. Pop that cap. All right. That couldn't have been too bad. Hopefully you guys all made it through. Tell me in the comments below what kind of cars, makes, models you guys have and that you're working on doing your oil change on. And you know, I could put out videos like this on the channel, probably with way more technical stuff, but just want to make this real general, guys, and I hope you enjoyed that. Thumbs up, and have a great day. You know it. All right.
Yeah, we're gonna see Yeah.
We're gonna see Spider-Man.
All right, Spider, we're gonna go see Spider-Man. See the movie.